if you want to do this whole YouTube thing, you got to make it a priority, even on days when you really don't even know how you're going to make a video at all. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And today I really have almost no time at all, and yet I'm still going to make a video. This is going to be a one-take video. I do this once in a while on days that I really don't think I'm going to be able to edit at all. So no matter how this turns out right now, this is going to be the video. So yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $54.98, and that brings my average somewhere around $90. It's been hovering around that for a while, gradually going down because I've been making less than $90 per day. But even on days that I do very little, and even on days when I just barely squeeze in a video, I still make this money. Some people call it passive money, I'm not sure, but it's a priority for me to do this right now because this is something that I'm saying I'm going to make a video every day, no matter what. So, and that's what you got to do. On days, even when you don't think you have the time, if it's a priority to grow on YouTube, then you're going to make it happen. We make time for things that are important to us, and right now this is something that's important to me, and I'm going to make it happen. So on this channel right now, I've been chronicling, how I've been making this money through Amazon. I have 3 monetized YouTube channels. Hope and Sunshine is the first one, has about 20,000 subscribers. My second one is actually my wife's channel. She has about, I think she's approaching 3,000 subscribers now. And then the third one is Reviewing Literally Everything, in which I post product review videos, and that actually ties into what I make on Amazon as well. Amazon, I post product review videos, and those are directly on Amazon, and that allows me to show people how to use a product or what I think about a product right before they purchase it, and then I get a commission for the purchase. And the thing is, like right now, I don't really have to make this video. I know a lot of people on YouTube say you don't release videos until they're polished and they're perfect. But the thing is, I'm committed to this process right now. I'm committed to making a video every day. And it's going to be different for different people. Depending on where you are in your YouTube journey and what your goals are and all that stuff, of course, you don't have to make a video every day. But right now, this is the process that I'm committed to. I'm committed, even if I don't feel like it, even if it's not convenient, I'm going to post a video every single day because that's where I'm at. Now, if you have a different goal, if you want to make really polished videos, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to post every single day. The key is do what's consistent for you. Do what's consistently what's going to further your channel and that which aligns with your goals. My goal right now is watch time, and in order to get more watch time, I need to put enough content out there. And of course, the better the content, the better it's going to perform view-wise, watch hour-wise. Of course, all that's true. But right now, I'm just saying I'm going to put a significant amount of content on the internet so that I'm giving myself more opportunities to accumulate this watch time. This is an experiment that I'm doing. I've kind of gradually transitioned to what I'm doing right now, which is posting at least an 8-minute video every single day. That's significantly higher than what I was doing, which is 3 minutes a day, which was significantly higher than what I was doing before that, which was just a short every day, and those don't even count towards watch time. I did get a video comment recently, not too long ago, about, are you sure that watch time from shorts doesn't count towards watch time for being monetized? And absolutely yes, that's true. Because if you just simply look at your analytics, and YouTube is clear about this too, they've talked about this. If you look at your analytics, you can compare 2 things. One, go to and sort your analytics, or filter your analytics so that you see 365 days, and you can see the total watch time on your channel. That's going to include long videos. That's going to include short videos. It's going to include lives and everything. So take that one figure. Mine right now is about 1,450 hours in terms of that way of looking at it. Now you want to click, after you have that figure, then go click on the Earn tab. The Earn tab is going to show you how many watch hours you've accumulated that actually count towards getting monetized. And right now I just did cross 1,000. That tells me I have 450 watch hours that don't count towards monetization. Now, where do those come from? Well, you can filter your analytics in various ways, and then I would very easily be able to discover all those watch hours are actually related to my shorts. So about a third. About a third of my watch hours in the last year come from shorts, which makes sense because, like I said, I just recently switched to doing more of these long form videos, and I was posting before that a ton of shorts. So it would make sense that I got a lot of watch hours from shorts. But then if you look at the Earn tab, those don't count. The watch hours from those don't count towards getting monetized. Now, if I were to try to get monetized purely on the basis of shorts, you can do so, but not on the basis of watch hours. If you get 10 million views, 10 million shorts views in the period of 90 days, that's 3 months, then you can get monetized if you have 1,000 subscribers as well. Now that's a lot of views. Now people say you can get a lot of views racked up pretty quick on via shorts, but I'm nowhere near that. I'm not even close to 1 million watch hours via my shorts. And it's interesting that in that period in the last year, I've gotten almost 500 hours of watch time via shorts, but I'm nowhere near 10 million views when it comes to shorts. That tells me that the easier way to get monetized is actually not shorts, but long form videos. Now, if you are able to make viral content, none of my shorts went viral. I don't think any of my shorts even got more than like 10,000 views or so. So if you're able to consistently make viral shorts, 100,000, even 1 million views on your shorts, then maybe it would make sense to try to go that route. If you can make highly engaging, entertaining shorts that cause people to watch the whole thing, and then those shorts blow up, and you can get 10 million views in the period of 90 days, that might be doable if you want to go that route. For me and for most people, it's actually easier to get enough watch time, 4,000 hours of watch time, over the course of a whole year than 10 million views on shorts in the course of just 3 months. Of course, that's going to vary. But even saying that, even though it's easier to get watch hours via the long form, it's still not easy. In fact, most people get their subscribers first, 1,000 subscribers first, and then eventually have to rack up enough watch time in order to get monetized. There are exceptions, and I've talked with people who certainly have gotten their watch time first. But for most people, subscribers comes first and then watch time. Right now, and here's the thing, in order to get enough watch time, you have to consistently average about 11 hours per day of watch time to get 4,000 hours over the course of a year. So if you get 11 hours per day of watch time and average that out over the course of a year, you can get 4,000 hours of watch time in 365 days. Now, right now, I'm only averaging about 7 or 8 hours of watch time per day. So that's not even enough to get monetized in a year. Now, however, in the course of posting videos and growing on YouTube and your channel growing and all that kind of stuff, eventually those hours start racking up faster, right? Because your newer content, that when your channel is growing faster, it's going to get more watch hours than your older content as you're posting it. If that makes any sense whatsoever. I could be saying that wrong, but basically towards the end of towards the longer you're on YouTube, the hours start racking up a little bit faster. So even though I'm not averaging 7 right now, my hope is that before the next 10 months or so, I'm actually averaging over the course of a month or so, more like 20 or 30 hours in a month or per day. And then therefore, that's going to cancel out a lot of the earlier ones. I could be saying that all wrong, but I hope you're getting the concept. Just keep on posting. Eventually, if you're consistent, whatever consistency means for you, whether posting every day or posting good, engaging, content that does well, performs well, that connects with your audience, and then they watch the whole thing and they get more views, hopefully, than mine are getting lately. Eventually, you can do it, because if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.